Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur Desam and Department of Transfusion Medicine RIMS today kicked off the 73rd Mega Blood Donation Camp at RIMS to commemorate the Foundation Day of Desam. In the blood donation camp, which will continue till December 30th at RIMS, Jenims and Caesar Hospital, over 150 people are expected to donate blood. All Kwakta Coordinating Committee has called off the 48-hour Tidim Road Band today after the state government came to terms with the demand. Earlier in the day, Moirang MLA P. Sarat Chandra Singh on behalf of the government had a talk over the standoff with representatives of all Kwakta Coordinating Committee, chairmen and councillors of Kwakta Municipal Council, members and leaders of Kwakta Gram Panchayat and executive engineer PHED Vishnupur. An Indian origin man, SHUKLA, will become one of the first persons in the world to be administered a coronavirus vaccine against the COVID-19 infection when he receives the Pfizer-BioNTech shot at a hospital in the United Kingdom, UK today. According to media reports, with the UK giving Pfizer's coronavirus vaccine its approval for emergency use, SHUKLA from Tyne and Ware said he was pleased to know that the world was coming to the end of the year-long pandemic with the beginning of the vaccinations. India reported less than 30,000 new Delhi cases of COVID-19 in the past 24 hours, ending this morning as the coronavirus active cases tally remained below 4 lakh mark. As per Union Health Ministry data today, 26,567 new COVID-19 infections were recorded in last 24 hours, which took India's total cases to 97.03 lakh. Apunba Manipur Matam Isai Kanglup AMMIK today organized a Save River campaign under the theme Save Rivers, Save Our Soul near Thongnambonbi in IMPHAL city. Tourism Minister Oinam Lukhoi, Tourism Corporation of Manipur Limited TCML Chairman Muhammad Asad Uddin, Tourism Director W. Ibohal and AMMIK President S. Tijendra were present at the event. NMC Kongpal Netaji Memorial Club Khurai Kongpal in collaboration with Veterinary Department IMPHAL East today organized a one-day animal vaccination program at the club office complex during which domesticated animals were vaccinated. Karang Upper Primary School today distributed ration to the students of the school. The ration were meant for midday meal which was not able to reach the students due to COVID-19 pandemic. Blacktopping along a 1 km long My 4 Peaceland Village Road which connects National Highway 37 or IMPHAL Jiribam Road with Longmai 4 Baptist Church Complex has been completed. The villagers are happy over completion of the work before Christmas. After 9 months, schools in Tripura reopened for 10th and 12th standard students yesterday. The schools of the state had remained closed since March in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic. Education Minister Ratan Lal Nad visited schools and colleges in the capital Agartala to inspect the preparedness and response of the students. Myanmar will hold the next parliamentary session in the first week of February 2021. The term of the current parliamentary session is set to conclude at the end of January next year, media reports said. According to the 2008 constitution, the first regular session of a new term of parliament begins with the House of Representatives, which needs to be held within 90 days after the commencement of the general elections.